Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new guys. Today I will talk about the STARKNET coin, which is you can see a 3.18% in last 24 hour increasing, but right now I was expected one huge and unexpected profitable pump. Okay, absolutely, we do a future trading signal, so I will provide you a future trading signals on Telegram. Link is in the description, must join. You will be get daily 10 to 15 signal. It is crazy, my brother, and if you lose one signal, leave the group, my brother. This is I give you guarantee. Okay, so this type of guarantee nobody will give you. Join, link is in the description. Right now you can see it was out from support level, and absolutely this is a very strong and 100% you can see here. After this breakout we will be take a long position, but we are still on long side, and I was expected much profitable 10 to 15%, my brother. I was expected. Right now just only 3% it was increasing. Let's see to what will happen, but I strongly recommend you, my brother. You can see the volume was also increasing, the market cap. So this type of my brother's moments I was expected, especially in this crazy market. BTC rising up to 57,000. So this type of moments when we see in market, definitely we will be on altcoin side. Okay, so I strongly recommend you to start it. Don't miss, take a long position, and I hope you will be make a crazy profit. Thanks for watching everybody. Hope you enjoy video. Please like, subscribe, and join Telegram group for future trading signals.